this question has to deal with some pretty simple math and unit conversions, but it says a 3D printer can produce material at a speed of 7 millimeters per minute. At this rate, how many millimeters can the printer produce in 5 seconds? So first of all, it tells us it's in millimeters and asks for it in millimeters, so we don't have to change anything there. So we're only looking, the only thing that changes is the time. So 7 milliliters per minute, how much can it produce in 5 seconds? So there's 60 seconds in a minute, so if we wanted to find out how many millimeters it could produce in 1 second, we would just take the 7 millimeters per minute. Sometimes it looks like this. You set it up like that, 7 millimeters per 1 minute. And then you do something like this. 1 minute is 60 seconds. And so when that happens, when you set it up that way, you can see that your minutes cancel, and this gives you 7/60 millimeters per second. Okay, so that's how much the printer can produce in a second, but then we're told that happens for 5 seconds. So we just want to take how much it can produce per second and multiply that by 5. So 7/60 times 5, that's like multiplying by 5/1. You can use a calculator if you need to, but 7 times 5 is 35. So now we have 35/60. And then if you look at our possible answers, 35/60 isn't any of them, but what needs to happen is we need to simplify that ratio. And so a 5 goes into both 35 and 60. And so how many times does 5 go into 35? That's 7 times. How many times does 5 go into 60? That's 12 times. So how much can the printer produce in 5 seconds? It's 7/12 milliliters, and that is found in answer B.